The Indian Defence Secretary has inaugurated the third Tejas aircraft production facility of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Nashik, that will enhance Tejas Mark 1A production from 16 aircraft to 24 aircraft per year. HAL plans to build the 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighters quickly, so that the assembly lines are free for building 6 squadrons of Tejas Mark II aircraft. The Defence Secretary also handed over the 100th repaired and overhauled Su-30 aircraft to the Indian Air Force at the ceremony, and the Nashik division has achieved peak overhaul capacity of 20 Su-30 aircraft per year. The Defence Secretary has also urged Hindustan Aeronautics to take up new initiatives and concepts to aggressively compete in the defence market and focus on new areas like unmanned aerial vehicles. Germany has offered its Dolphin II class submarine to India under a government-to-government deal, and media reports indicate that the talks to jointly build 6 Dolphin II class submarines equipped with fuel cell AIP system are at the final stage. The Dolphin II class submarine is fitted with 6 533mm torpedo tubes, 4 650mm torpedo tubes for laying mines, larger submarine-launched cruise missiles, and swimmer delivery vehicles. The hull is rated for dives up to 350 meters, and the maximum unrefueled range is 15,000 kilometers while traveling on the surface, and over 740 kilometers while submerged, and can remain unsupplied for up to 30 days on station. The Indian Army has released a tender for the procurement of 29,762 night sights under Buy Indian category that will be equipped on 7.62 by 51mm rifles along with accessories. It must have 4x magnification and should be able to detect a walking human at 600 meters and standing human at 500 meters, and the sight should operate on removable rechargeable batteries. Paris Defense has developed an attack drone named Archer that is foldable and easy to carry and has a total weight of 25 kilograms. The Archer can carry a total 10 kilograms payload that includes 8 impact-based bombs, and the dropping of payload can be done both manually or autonomously. The Archer has a range of 20 kilometers and an endurance of 40 minutes. Indian Air Force's Rafale combat aircraft will participate in a multinational wargame codenamed Orion, which will be hosted by France from 3rd week of April, that will involve many of its NATO and other important allies. The Rafale aircraft from the Western Air Command will fly to France to participate in exercise, which will be the largest ever multinational exercise being carried out by the French Defense Forces, involving their Army, Navy and Air Force along with allies like the US and the UK. China has proposed to establish a radar base in Sri Lanka to monitor the activities of the Indian Navy and evaluate Indian strategic assets in the region, and it will also be able to track US military movements at its military base in Diego Garcia. The proposed project is located in the forests of Dondra Bay in Sri Lanka, which is located about 155 kilometers southeast of Colombo.